Hi guys, welcome to Mano Tutorials. Today I had a crazy idea, so I opened Photoshop and made this. What if these famous logos had a cute pink makeover? Let's see how they look. First, let's take the YouTube logo. I'll add a color overlay and change it to pink. Then I'll replace the play button with a heart, align it to the center, and make the heart white. Now the YouTube logo is looking much cuter. Next, the Google Gemini logo. I'll add a pink color overlay, then use an inner shadow to give it a little depth. And this is how it looks. Now it's the PayPal logo. I'll add a pink color overlay, change the blending mode to color, and add little hearts inside both A letters. I actually like this one. Finally, the Payoneer logo. Again, I'll add a pink color overlay, change the blending mode to color, and add heart shapes inside the text. Simple, but it looks really nice. And here are all the logos with their new pink vibe. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments.